Hi, it's Kevin from Southwest Ohio Adventures. I'm at Engle Mill road covered bridge outside of Xenia, Ohio. This bridge was built in 1877 and restored in 2014. An interesting thing about this bridge is that it is one of two bridges. There were twin bridges. This was the western bridge, and the eastern bridge was just down the road. This was used until 2003, when a new bridge was built right next to it. The eastern bridge was destroyed several years ago. And we are on the bridge that replaced the Engle Mill road covered bridge. Not quite as charming as the old covered bridge, but it serves its purpose. We have a little snowfall right now. I was going to fly the drone, but I think I need to let the snow stop, and then we'll go up in the air. So that wraps up our video on the Engle Mill road covered bridge. Hope you visit it and check it out for yourself. I appreciate you watching.